Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you love easy and simple hairstyles, then this video is perfect for you. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 simple and easy hairstyles that you can create in just few minutes. Also, these hairstyles are so low effort hairstyles that you can do it anywhere, anytime, and can save your time too. These styles are perfect for college, casual outings, or any occasions. So, without any further delay, let's get started.
明けゆく朝太陽の下響く残響を聞いて降り注ぐ光の中立ち止まりはしないよさえずりは僕を呼ぶように緑色を背に飛び立つ鼓動が僕を呼び覚ます命果てるまでサバナ帰ろうサバナ一人じゃないよサバナ美しい世界をサバナさあ生み出すんだサバナ心が躍る羽を伸ばし誰が何をとも止められやしないから焦るように駆け出して木々大ざわめいて向かう今の日々へ国籍指さす方へサバナ帰ろうサバナ一人じゃないよサバナ美しい世界をサバナさあ生み出すんだサバナI'm calling up Savannah We'll never be alone Savannah The beauty of the world Savannah Let's take a walk
And yeah, that's all for this video. Which hairstyle do you like the most? Let me know in the comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Till then, bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video.